You use Kajabi for your courses and upload documents into the download section. Hey, I want to show you a trick today on renaming your uploads that you're putting for your members. And I noticed this today. I'm just reviewing this before I send this email out, and I'm noticing the downloads over here on the right-hand side of the screen have very cryptic kind of names. Now, I know what they are, but my members who are logging in may not be familiar with what this means. So here's what I would suggest that you do. In the admin view, where the section is that you've uploaded the downloads, all you need to do is click on the pencil icon, and then you can simply rename the display name for this. So in this particular session, this is a call transcript. So you can see I have some examples from previous courses in here as well. I'm going to call this call transcript, and then I'm going to give it the name Bootcamp Coaching Call, and then today's date. So 051824. And then once you click on save, and then I'm going to go up to the top of the page and save that change in the admin view. Then when I go back into the member view and refresh the page, you're going to notice that the downloads now is reading in normal human language. And now if they click on the document, I just want to double check this real quick. If in fact it's giving the same name as the file name was uploaded. So you may also want to rename those uploads before you do the upload into the section here. That way they can have the same names as well. I like to keep in mind when my members are downloading this, they might be putting this inside a folder for future reference. And I want to make sure it's intuitive to them. So what I would recommend that you do is use the normal human language, in this case, transcript bootcamp coaching call 51824. I would give the original PDF that name in the upload as I'm doing the upload, and then make sure that it is displaying in the member view that way as well, just to make it a little more easy, user friendly for your members who are looking at this. And by the way, this program is called Bootcamp with Brenda that I'm showing you on screen. It's an online group. It's an online program to help you use LinkedIn for job search, as well as it does include a bonus component, which is some group coaching calls. If you're interested in learning more, go to mellermarketing.com/bootcamp. Hope you found this tip helpful. If you did, let me know in comments below.